stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
Hi YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see in the title, it is a Fashionnova two-piece haul. Y'all know two-piece is the easiest thing other than a dress. Two-piece is the easiest thing you can have in your closet because you just put them two pieces on, put your shoes on, put your bag, your makeup, and you are good to go out of the door. Alright guys, without further ado, let's see what I got in this video. If you want to see what your girl got from Fashionnova, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. That does help your girl out here on YouTube. You. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel and turn your post notification on so you'll be able to get notified every time your girl drop a video. I drop video once a week, but hopefully very soon we will be doing twice a week. All right guys, don't let me ramble too much. Let's get into this video. With the banger, it is this beautiful blue two-piece right here. Yes, baby. Oh. But this is too cute. It's like the accordion kind of material, really stretchy and stuff. I said go down a size. I got this in a medium because I'm naturally a medium with Fashionnova or anywhere else. But this medium, it's giving me bigness. Like I could put my son and my daughters in this pants. If you see how big it is, really high-waisted for my tall girls. This. I am on my tippy toe. If you guys can see, I am literally on my tippy toe, and we are still what? We're still dragging the floor. I'm 5'5", by the way. My measurements will definitely be in the description box or pinned in the comment section. But baby, this is too cute though. Like, I don't know why I love it so much. It is freaking cute. Do y'all see right here? Let me show you guys. Like, do y'all see that detail right over there? Like the neck is like a mock turtleneck. Like I told you guys, it is very hella stretchy. Crop top. You don't even need to, if you don't have a lot of titties, any titties than me, you need a bra. But if you don't have a lot of titties, you do not need a bra with this one. Just put a nipple just put on a nipple tape. Okay, just put a nipple tape on and you will be good to go. It does have stretch right over here. This is too cute. One thing I would not do is I would not be wearing both of them together because I feel like it's actually cute together though. Like, you will be the show of the town if you wear this anywhere. The show of the party. Like, and this blue color on me right now. I know it comes in another color. I'm not sure what other color that is, but it's giving me, I need to go copy before this video comes out because I know y'all be buying things real quick. But this right here is too cute. This is what the back, you see it? This is what the back, my roll is right here. Who cares? Let's move on. Yeah, this is too cute. But I wish I have a pocket though. I wish I could, like, you know, put a little bit of pocket. Like I told you guys, this pant is huge. I could use this for, y'all know when people turn their pants into a dress, I would use the pant for that. I mean, I'm just letting y'all know. But baby, this is too cute. Oh, look at that thong. It's thonging back there. It's thonging back there. I need to stop. But this is too cute though. I really like this. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all, like, this two-piece is giving me two-piece. Like, it's giving me beauty, it's giving me classy. I mean, not classy, but it's giving me cuteness. You feel me? But this is this two-piece right over here. It does have the little, like, bodysuit situation going on, but it's not a bodysuit. It's just curved that way, and I like it. Like, you're cinching my waist, make it look a little bit smaller, and look at my hips in this. Like, it is looking really, really, really cute. This is what the back is looking like. I got this also in a size medium. This is freaking cute. The only thing about this is I wish, like, this has a wire. That is my only caveat with it. Like, I had to adjust myself just so my titties can be where it's supposed to be. But other than that, it does come with an adjustable clear strap right here. If you don't want to wear the strap, I don't think this is going to stay on you, okay? But this is what this is looking like. Just adjust the strap to your liking, and I think you should be good. But this right here, I am loving it. This, I'll wear sneakers with this and a crossbody bag just to go hang out at the park or something like that. This will be good for it. To a girl's birthday dinner, put a nice heels with this, your personal, and you will be good to go. I think this is gorgeous. I love it. Tell me you don't love this, because the pants, y'all see how high-waisted, really stretchy, and it's giving me, like, this is my belly button right here, and it's still going all the way up over there. It covers the shelf and everything back there. I love it. I'm about to go get another color though. I'm about to go get me another color. This will be cute on vacation too. I'm about to go get me another color. And on my melanin skin now. And on my melanin skin now. We're doing it. We're doing something over here. Okay, y'all, this is the third two-piece that I got. Another pant. Really cute, but this is a little bit see-through. I don't know if y'all could see the tag is right. Let me see. The tag is like right over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. A little bit see-through, but it's not bad. If I wear something like this, I'll probably go commando under it with no underwear or anything like that, or a thong. I don't wear thong, so if you wear thong, then that's on you. That's good. But for me, I just go commando under this. It is a little bit long. I'm not gonna be able to wear heels with this, because I like my pants to be long enough to cover my heels for me to be able to wear heels with. So something like this is just gonna be casual, crossbody, a little bit of jacket if it's gonna be cold, a jean jacket that I can wear on top of this and be on my way. That's what this is giving me. And the top, I'm not gonna say it's 100% secure. And Fashionnova, if you're watching this, okay, when you guys make things like this, right here, we would love it to be sewn down, as in sewn down, because if you're not careful enough, all this black thing just gonna be popping and rolling up. So if y'all could just, spend that extra 30 cents, $1 just to, get that sewn down, that would be great, because I know needle and thread ain't that expensive outside, okay? But other than that, this is so cute. It is a little bit crop top, what they call it, a bustier-esque situation. It does curve in a little bit right over here, and then the back is just short on the back. I think it's cute. I think it's modest. I think it's very, very light and airy. Something like this would be good on vacation. Something like this would be good to just pop on, go meet a girl for the drinks and all that good stuff. I think this will be perfect for it. Just like I said, put a jacket when it's get cold in the hall or whatever you are, and you just use that to cover yourself. But this is so cute. To me, this is more casual than getting dressed up with it. Yeah, this is cute. Not bad. Let me see. Oh, girl. It does come with a slit right here on the leg. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It does come with a little bit of slit, but this is not, like I said, casual, sneakers, sandal, something like that. Really cool, really. Okay, y'all. The next one is this one right over here. This is cute to me. Might be washing me out a little bit because it's kind of white, like off-white situation and things like that. Okay, y'all can see it better right there. Off-white situation. The video will be on the side. You guys will be able to watch it and see what it looks like, even if you guys can't see it right here. Okay, I turned the light down a little bit so y'all could be able to see it at least somewhat. It has such a good quality, real thick though, but you should still be able to wear it this spring season. Like, it is not bad. It has a thick band right over here. I love it. It does also have a bustier situation going on, but there is no boning whatsoever, and it does have this curve right over here where the girl, because it doesn't have any boning over here, it's not letting the girl stay as much. But if you are in the itty bitty community, this will be perfect for you without a bra. Even myself right now, no bra, all I need is a nipple cover and I'm out. I love it though, it's really cute. It does have the little, focus a little bit. Okay, that's how the little 1, 2, 3 thingy going on right here, and it does also come in on the waist, so you have an illusion of a smaller, tinier waist. So yeah, tank situation. This is what the back is looking like. The back has more coverage than the other one that I showed you guys. It covers my rolls back there, and yeah, really like this one. And with this, I could put a jacket, a real good blazer jacket on this, sneakers, and I'm out. Crossbody bag or a regular handbag. Now, I'll be out to like a meeting or something like that. This is cute. I like it. If you ain't here from the beginning, I am 5'5". My measurement will be in the description box and also pinned in the comment section so you guys will be able to see it. I'm 5'5", and this is dragging the floor. If you want to wear it with heels, if you are that kind of person, go ahead and wear it. But for me, because it's not going to be covering my heels, I'm never going to wear it with heels. But I'll be able to wear it like a chunky flat, those thick chunky flat. I did get one from, let me show you guys. This one of the shoe I was going to show you, but I'm not going to put it on my feet because what, your girl's toes ain't done. I haven't done my toes in a while, and it's looking like, and it's Jesus. But something like this, I bought this also from Fashionnova. It is so cute. It is very foamy and comfortable. I'm just going to try it on for you guys right here. But if you zoom in, God will judge you. If you zoom in to look at my feet, God will judge you. But something like this, I could just, yeah, see? Now it's lifted up a little bit. Yep, I'll wear it like this to go run errands and stuff. Absolutely love it. And the slippers is very comfortable. It is this boot looking shoe right over here. It is so cute. You could wear it this summer actually, because it's like a tight, it's like a stretchy material legging situation. So, and then it's like a clear heel on the inside. It's really cute. I sized up. I'm normally at 8, but I sized up because I know Perspex heels and stuff, they tend to run pretty small, and it fit me perfectly well. I love that the heel, it's black. Love it. Wear a nice skirt. I wear me a nice short like those tennis skirts. Wear that, and then wear this. A nice body, not a bodysuit would be good with a blazer that's nice, or nice corset on top of it. And then this, leave my hair like this, or I wear me a wavy hair, a wavy wig, or a slick, long, straight hair. I could just see me looking like a baby doll. Like a baby doll. But anyway, those are the 2 pairs of shoes that I have with this haul. So let's get back to the outfits, okay? Just a quick reminder, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, okay? Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification, okay? I know you're watching me and you like me. I like you too. Make sure you turn it on. This is second to the last, and I'm going to show you guys this, and the last one I'm going to show you guys are the same thing but different color. But yeah, Suki now. This is a skirt, as you guys can see, very maxi. It's like literally, like if you want it to get all the way down, it will get all the way down to your ankle, baby. This is so freaking cute. This is the bubbly, like you know those bubble that comes in packages that you have to pop? My kids love those joints. But that is what this is giving your girl. Like, move closer so you guys can see. Do y'all see? You do not need any bra with this. You don't even need a nipple cover. You don't need nothing. Excuse my father, my skin is red. That's my skin for y'all. But I love it. You guys see, it does have strap. The strap is non-adjustable. This is what the back is looking like. Love it. Can you tell that I love this? Can you tell that your girl love this? Can you tell that I'm in love with this two-piece? Like, with this, the way my makeup and everything is today, it goes perfectly. When I say perfectly, it goes perfectly with this outfit. As you can top, it is not a dress, so it's not a dress that is going to join at the back and pop in the front. Nope, it is not. It is a skirt, and I am freaking in love. It is not see-through, nothing at all, because it is double. It is double lined, and even with this alone gun, I don't think it is, baby. Oh, I'm unavailable. Them know they see me. I'm unavailable. Them know they see me. I'm unavailable. Yeah, this is the last outfit. This nice beautiful orange one is just like the brown one that I just showed you guys. Same feeling, same vibe. Really stretchy, size down. I got both of them in a size small because I know they have stretch in it. So size down on this. I really like this. If you want, you could put a blazer on top of this. If you want, you could put a jacket on top of this. I really like it. So freaking cute too. Just like the brown one. I wish if I got an extra small, the skirt will fit perfectly well, but the top might not fit the way it is. It might fit, but I'm okay with the small. Small is perfectly fine. Look at that orange. Half the waviness of my outfit is my skin. But once I put on that orange though, the orange, and everybody, all the kingdom start bowing down. Baby. Yes. Do I need to sip on some wine or some water? It's only 1 o'clock. I can't drink wine yet. But anywho, you could tell that I really like this. You could just tell that I really love this two-piece outfit. It is orange, okay? But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm very sad that it's all over, but you guys will see the part 2 of this haul. Okay? But I love it. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Everything that I have on will definitely be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.